Today I will be recording an unboxing from Texas Kid Reptiles. There are also a few in here from Cenozoic Reptilia. I had bought these months ago and it's just been so hot, so I'm finally able to get them shipped to me. The geckos came even more beautiful than their pictures showed. Honestly, I couldn't be happier. This is the first one I had purchased from Aaron. This is a bold tangerine from Bengal to Bengal. The line comes from Bold and Bright Geckos. He is a proven breeder, which I'm excited about. I've had females set aside for him for, it feels like 4 to 5 months now, so they should actually be ready for him. Next up is this white and yellow red stripe Tremper Albino Het Eclipse female. She's one of my original purchases as well. Super beautiful. This is a temperature sex male bold stripe Bengal cross. His father is a Bengal from Bold and Bright Geckos, and his mother is a bold stripe from Lunation Geckos with Huff's Herps lineage. This is the last one that I had purchased from Aaron at Cenozoic Reptilia. This is a red stripe Albino Het Eclipse, or possible Het Eclipse. I'm also welcoming my first Rainwaters to my collection. These last two were produced by Texas Kid Reptiles, and the first one is a female, and she is a Rainwater Eclipse Het patternless. Look at that face. So cute. last to be welcomed home is this Rainwater red stripe het eclipse het patternless. He will be a breeder in 2023, and I think I'm gonna name him Rain. For them being the first Rainwaters in my collection, they're absolutely stunning. I couldn't be happier with them. I'm gonna take some photos of them once they're out of their containers and on my hands. These are right before they're going into their enclosures. Absolutely gorgeous animals. Thanks again for watching, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will be posting more regularly, and I post every day on Instagram. It's BettaGecko_. I post as well on Facebook daily, BettaGecko. Thank you.